Hello, my name is Ibrahim Hamouda. I am the president of Sphinx Information Technologies in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. This is the third video in our series of videos about GitLab and the Git flow we use within our company to get our staff of developers and QA teams to collaborate in projects. In the last video, we stopped at the QA satisfied with the release they have or the revision they have, and they merged this revision for reviewers to the review branch to review and give their feedback. What we missed last time is actually putting this project or website in place in the web virtual directories for the QA to test and for the reviewers to test. So what I did here, I created a directory called var www to mimic the website. I created inside it three directories mimicking the three virtual directories for the websites, and I will go to the QA directory. What I need here is to clone only the QA branch and not to create the example directory inside it. So what I will do, I will say git clone b qa and I will give it the GitLab, and I'll put this dot at the end to tell Git to clone in place and not create the directory. Okay, so now we have our files. We will change to the review, and we will do the same but for the review branch, not the QA branch. The reason we are separating the QA from the review, although they look like the same code and the same branch, is that while the reviewer are reviewing, still the developers are working on another milestone. They are merging to QA, and the QA is testing something else. So the QA and the review will be different with the second milestone, but we don't want to pollute the review branch while the reviewers are working. So now we have our review branch. Now in the QA user, the QA user wants to tag this review as a milestone. So we will see where we are here. We are in review. So we will create a milestone with a tag, and we will call this milestone 1. Just enter some text to identify it here in the description. And we will push this milestone to the server. Okay, so milestone 1 now is in the server. If we go back to the server here, we will see that we have one tag. Okay, so the next step here is that we assume that the reviewer have good feedback for the project, and now we're ready to take this project to production. So we will change here to the production branch, which will be on the master, and we will pull and we will merge review and just put a message. Now we have here in master, we have our files, and we will push. Okay, now we can go back here and to prod, which is our production virtual directory, and we can clone master now. And to clone master, we don't need to do the B and the B switch, so we will just remove that here, and we will clone. This will clone master by default. So now we have master. Okay, so let's say that while the customer now the website is live, and we found that there is a mistake that needs to be fixed, and this is supposed to be a hotfix. So we will go back here. And we will go to issues. We'll see now, because we put the keywords before, all our issues are closed now as soon as they got to master. We will create a new issue here, and we will call it Hotfix feature 1, and we will assign it to a user, developer 1, and we will label it as hotfix so it doesn't get confused with the features and the issues during development. Now the developer knows that there is a hotfix, and this hotfix will be based on the master branch. We will go back here, and we will go to developer 1, see where we are at here. We will change to master. Now we are in master. We will pull. Okay, so we have the latest in master here. Now we will create a temporary branch. And we will call it hotfix. And the number was issue 4. So we'll say hotfix 4. And we will push it to the server. We made a mistake in the name here, so maybe we just delete it and do it again. So git branch d hotfix 4. Okay, we'll create it again with the right name here. And we'll push it to the server. Okay, so hotfix now is on the server. We can start working on it, so we will open feature 1. Line 4, hotfix 4 by developer 1. We'll close that and we will git add and git commit fixes number 4, and we will push to the server. Okay. Now we can check out master again and pull and merge our hotfix. Okay, so now if we look at feature 1, we will see that our hotfix is applied. Now we will push to the server. Okay, what we need to do here, we need to update our development branch and our QA branch with the latest code, so we don't miss up on something. So we will do git checkout develop, and we will pull, and we will merge master and we will push develop to the server. Now the other developer can just pull developer. Okay. Now we can actually delete the hotfix. And we delete it from the server too. And now we can pull again. And we can do the same with the QA branch, which we will leave the QA to do. So here the QA will first pull the master. I think we have to first see if we are in master. Yes, we are, and then git pull. Okay, so we have our changes here. And we can git push origin master up to date. Now we can go actually to our production. where we have the master, and we just do a git pull, and we will get the changes. Okay, so now we're satisfied with this. So we can actually, if this milestone is a version by itself, we can tag it. So we'll say git tag a v1.0 v1.0 released, and we will push this tag to the server. Okay. Now we want to get the QA branch and the review branch up to date. So we will do git checkout QA, git merge. Actually, we don't need to do that because the review and the review and the QA might have new stuff more than the master, but it is a good idea to merge the hotfix that was done in master to the QA and review. Thank you.